If Adobe Premiere Pro is showing an unknown error when opening your project, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest and most reliable fixes to get your project open again, whether the issue is caused by a corrupted file, a drive problem, preview files, or a simple permissions error. This is one of those frustrating Premiere Pro problems that can stop your entire edit, but the good news is that there are several proven ways to troubleshoot it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and editing tips. Alright, let's jump in. The first and most successful method is to import your project into a new blank project. Open Premiere Pro, and instead of trying to open the broken project directly, create a fresh new project first. Once the new project is open, go to File, then Import, and select the project file that is giving you the unknown error. In many cases, Premiere Pro can pull the contents from a damaged project file more successfully when it is imported into a clean project instead of being opened on its own. This is one of the best things to try first because it can save you a lot of time and help you recover your work. If that does not work, the next thing to try is opening an autosave version. Go to the folder where your project is stored and look for the Adobe Premiere Pro autosave folder. Inside that folder, you should see older saved versions of your project. Open the most recent autosave file and check whether it loads properly. Often, the latest manual save may be damaged, but an earlier autosave copy can open without issues. If you get in, immediately save a fresh version under a new name so you have a stable backup to continue working from. Another common cause of this error is an external drive problem. If your project or media is stored on an SSD, external hard drive, or USB-C device, disconnect those drives, restart your computer, and then try opening the project again. A corrupted drive, loose connection, or faulty cable can easily trigger load errors in Premiere Pro. This is especially important if your project was working before and suddenly stopped opening after moving files or changing hardware. If the project opens after disconnecting a drive, you've likely found the source of the problem. If the error is happening during a project manager operation, then preview files may be the issue. When you are using Project Manager, look carefully for the option that says Include Preview Files and make sure that box is deselected. Preview files can sometimes cause conflicts, especially if they were generated from older cache data or from a damaged sequence. By leaving preview files out of the process, you reduce the chance of Premiere Pro running into the same unknown error again. Next, try running Premiere Pro as an administrator. On Windows, right-click the Premiere Pro icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app elevated permission to access files and system resources that it may not be able to reach in normal mode. In some cases, permission restrictions are enough to prevent a project from loading correctly, especially if the file is stored in a protected location or if Premiere Pro needs access to cached data. This is a quick fix and definitely worth trying. If you still cannot open the project, move the project file and its associated assets to a different folder or even a different drive. Very long file paths, deep folder structures, or special characters in folder names can sometimes cause problems in Premiere Pro. A simple approach is to create a new folder on your desktop or another drive, move the project file there, and test it again. If the project opens after that, then the issue may have been related to the file path rather than the project itself. And if none of those steps solve the issue, it may be time to repair or update Premiere Pro through the Creative Cloud app. Open Creative Cloud, check for updates, and install the latest version if one is available. If the problem started after a recent update or if the installation seems unstable, reinstalling Premiere Pro can also help replace damaged program files. Sometimes the issue is not your project at all, but a broken application install, so keeping Premiere Pro fully updated is a smart final step. At this point, one of these methods should get you back into your project. Start with importing into a new project, then try autosave. Then check your drives, preview files, file location, permissions, and finally update or reinstall if needed. The key is to work through the fixes one by one so you can identify the exact cause instead of guessing. If this video helped you fix the Premiere Pro unknown error opening project issue, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more editing tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.